On January 26, 1950, our constitution was born and India's destiny was sealed. Today, we proudly mark 77 years of our great republic.
Every year, India proudly invites foreign dignitaries. In an unprecedented move, India invited not the president of a country, but the presidents representing 27 countries.
Yes, the chief guests of the Republic Day Parade 2026 are the European Council President Antonio da Costa and the European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen.
As proud students of Ryan International School, Kandivali, we stand together to honor this day with pride and dignity. Here are the glimpses of our school celebrations.
So, what message would you like to share to our youth on the occasion of 77th Republic Day?
जो नया जनरेशन है, न्यू जनरेशन, उन लोगों को और भी देश के प्रति और भी कर्तव्य अपना निभाना चाहिए। जैसा हमारा देश का बहुत नौजवान बाहर चला जाता है कैरियर के लिए, बस आज हमारा देश में बहुत सारा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, ये अचीव करना चाहिए, देश को आगे और भी लेके जाना चाहिए।
Any student, whoever is into academics, he should be at least doing a graduation at least.
I think youth defines a country, and we are going through a very interesting phase. Youth are witnessing so much changes happening, so much dynamism happening. And I see a very happening India, a very colorful India, a shining India. So this world is becoming like a virtual reality. And the youth have so much to do, so much. The technology has made the world one for its family, and they're really lucky that they are part of this generation, the Gen Z, what baby boomers, whatever we call you. But for the youth, they want to define that country and make this India a part of the global village we already are. I'm sure we are going to define our country in a better way, in a Christian way, really shine.
Be healthy, be happy. Study will automatically follow if you are healthy, if you are happy.
If you want to achieve something in life, you have to work hard, you have to fight, whether it's be failure or whether you are succeeding. Keep doing it, keep fighting, keep going.
Work hard, be positive, and maintain a strong integrity and values. And what values and integrity we will get from the school teachers, that will always help us to take it were for very long.
First things first, respect the authority, but always stand your ground. You should know what are the constitutional values of this country. You should know what the preamble is about. You should know its units, that we are a socialist, secular, democratic republic country, and you should be proud of it.
I think it's very important for the youth to understand that we need to focus on empathy, we need to focus on unity. In this Republic Day, we need to understand that the more united we are, the farther we'll go as a nation. And since it's the youth who is going to decide the future of our nation, it's important that we be united, we value our diversity and stay together always.
We should respect our constitution and we should abide by their vows.
रैन इंटरनेशनल ग्रुप एक बहुत अच्छा गाइडेंस और दिशा दे रहा है। मुझे फुल कॉन्फिडेंस है कि ये यूथ जो रैन इंटरनेशनल के बच्चे हैं ये एक देश का भविष्य ज़रूर बनेंगे।
If you are working today very hard, definitely your future you'll enjoy your future. But when today you are enjoying, then be prepared to work hard in your future.
Learn more, grow more, and whenever you get opportunity, grasp it. Happy Republic Day.
We have to protect the country within, and within is by building the character of the people, of the students, of the the neighbors and the fellow citizens, so that we can live in peace.
The Constitution isn't just a tome in a museum. It is the compass that guides us forward, reminding us of the power and responsibility of we, the people.
As the new generation of Ryan International School, Kandivali, we don't just remember that dream, we pledge to carry it forward.
It is in the spirit of unity and purpose that we truly celebrate Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat. On that note, this is YJ Myra
and this is YJ Srana along with YJ Divyangana signing off for Young Journos on Ryan TV.